Evening peeps, this is rather a quick video shortly after the last one because I didn't really explain what I'd done here, how I'd done it, so I thought I'd show you in all its horrible glory. So basically the window is sitting proud of the door frame. This is allowing me to get the glass poly flush with the body, improving the aero. Originally the window was going to be fitted tight to this. In here I moulded nuts into the carbon fibre frame. Down here the glass was originally sitting in a slot, so this bit wasn't here, so this is why I'm using add-on nuts, because it's an afterthought like a lot of this car. These bolts, I will be getting either some shorter ones or cutting those down, and likewise these, so they're flush. Once this is painted you hardly see those. See the spacers in there. You see the way it sits at various distances from the frame. Each spacer is slightly more, a lot of different size spacers there, but it means that the glass sits nice and snug against the frame. I quite like that anyway. So that's that side done. On to the next side. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.